This in position. You ready? Let's see what I see.
So over the last few months, Kyle has got into bread making. Would you say that's accurate, Kyle?
That's accurate, yeah.
John and I both like to eat Kyle's bread.
It's true.
But I guess we're both wondering, what got you into this?
I wanted to just do it so it was just second nature. So I could just make bread and it wasn't an intimidating activity.
So you were making bread, just baking away, and you hit a roadblock. So the baguette is an elusive bread, correct?
For me, yes. But the key to really good baguettes and most bread is steam in the baking chamber while it's baking to get that crisp crust.
Oh, so you need a special type of oven that injects this steam into
So they sell these ovens.
Right. Why is it called a deck oven?
Because it looks like a deck. It has a baking deck. You can see how we don't have the oven directly on the wood, but it's sitting on those ceramic insulators. The time has arrived. I'm going to put the loaf in the oven. We're at 429. I think we're getting pretty close to the maximum temperature we can reach without better sealing and insulation. So we're gonna hold there for now. Try to deposit the loaf as best I can into the oven, and we're gonna see what happens. I'll set a timer. Trying to work fairly quickly, not to let too much heat out. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks beautiful. So we're now down at 460 with these top burners off. I just kicked on the bottom burner, so we'll see how that brings the bake temperature up. We have 19 minutes left on this bake. Okay, so what happened, that noise was the inside oven cavity. It was concave, now it's gone convex. So that means there's probably things that have shifted around. All of the weight is on the back. You can see that even is edged up with the force. Nothing is at risk for falling. Even if those elements came out, the oven would just shift and fall onto this, which wouldn't be ideal for the wood, but it doesn't pose any safety concerns. So we're gonna keep on baking. A lot of smoke in the air right now. Oh yeah. You ready? Let's see what I see. Oh, look at that. So it has risen beautifully. It is very burnt. You can see in here. Sorry, it's not that bright in the bake chamber. Now hopefully this just comes right out, but it doesn't. It's burnt on. Okay, but it's not that bad. Wow. So the bake deck in the back is reading at 520. In the front is reading at 45. But even though it's really charred on the outside, I'm catching a whiff of the aroma of the bread underneath, and I think we're gonna have a really good loaf under there. There's gonna be some burnt parts, but I think some of that in there will be great. You can see it's even like burning right there. We have lots of deformation. There's no apparent damage to any of the tiles. Not really.
John, now poke it with the knife.
Okay, see, I want to know why it's squishy, but also burnt. Like, how can it be both squishy and burnt?
So do we have to?
It's also
David.
sticky on the bottom. Try that. Why is it sticky?
I don't. Do we get any butter with this, or
Okay.
should we just eat it raw? I think we should just eat it raw.
Eat it raw.
Ready?
Yep, here it is. Oh, it's beautiful.
Actually, doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look too bad. Take a look at that.
Alright.
Not half bad. It's really not half bad. It's not half good.
I mean, it tastes like bread. I don't know. Actually, doesn't taste bad.
Oh,
The smoky flavor definitely has penetrated. Matt, you gotta try some. Come on. Has to.
Okay.
You can go.
Still
Tastes like normal bread.